chasing shadows, fighting battles. I've been on my own for a while, let them say I'm doing better. I've been broken, but now I'm going. I've been on the road, oh, if I made it through. It's like I'm...
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Now, I have been under the pump this morning. I organised this debut trip for 2 weeks, but did I pack anything in the car? Did I pack any cooking stuff, any sleeping stuff? No. Then this morning I had to fix a little transmission leak. There's a T-piece where it's got the sender unit for the Howtech dash. I had to fix that, which has pushed me way back in time. So I'm actually finally on the road heading there now. Where we are going is beautiful Bruny Island. Now we'll be there 2 nights, 3 days. I run a page on Facebook called Vans of Tasmania for vans only, no caravans, just vans. And there was a couple of people that responded, so hopefully we can get a good group of vans and take over this island. So other than that, guys, I will put my foot flat to the floor and I'll see you at Kettering, where we have to purchase our tickets to get on the ferry. I've just turned off the main road and onto Ferry Road, where you catch the boat to go over to Bruny, and the lineup was that long that I thought, you know what, I'll just jump online and I'll pre-order my ticket before I get on, because I'm waiting for Chris and Ty. What they did was come all the way down to Kettering and found out that the fuel station had no fuel, so they had to turn around and go back up the snug. What a world we live in. Thanks, Trump. Thank you. So yeah, I purchased my ticket online just then and it was $55.80. That's a return. Not bad considering it's a 20-25 minute trip each way. So I have just jumped off the boat. We're still waiting for Chris and Ty on the other side, so I'm just going to quickly see what's actually in the fridge. Some bloody hungry. I just opened the pantry. Look what I found. Alright, here we are, just finally arrived at Jetty Beach. We're setting up. These boys are taking way too bloody long, but check this out. The old L300, she's all done. We're just waiting for him to set up now. And then a couple of tins, and then head down the beach for a bit of a fish. Alright, here we are about 7 AM I think. Got a coffee, got a fishing rod. Chris is down here somewhere. Hey, look at that. What more do you want? Just finished some breakfast, about to go do some touristy stuff down to the lighthouse. We've got the old L400 warming up over here and the old L300 warming up over here. Alright, just arrived down here at Adventure Bay. We got the old fishing crew over the back there. They're going to try to catch some squid off the jetty. I got me shorts on to get these ghost legs out, and we'll go jump in the water, see what we can find. Alright, just turned up to the neck, last tourist job before we get back on the boat. Absolute beautiful day today, so let's go climb these 10,000 steps and see what the view's like from the top. Wow, there we go. Debut trip of the chopped L300, done and dusted. The thing went absolutely amazing. I've got absolutely nothing to complain about. The setup was amazing, motor went well. How good was the rugged 4x4 270-degree awning. Now this thing makes camping that so much easier. Unzip the bag, fling this arm, fling that arm, and it pretty much sets itself up. So, on another note, we did catch fish. Let me show you the beauty that I caught. So there we go, big whopping fish. Pretty embarrassing, but anyways, it was an absolute amazing weekend away. Thanks Chris, Ty. And all I'm going to do now to the car is drop the oil, put some new oil in, just check the filter and all of that, see how everything's going. Other than that, we've got another trip coming up fairly shortly. So if you can help me out big time by hitting that subscribe button, best thing is it's for free and it helps the channel out big time. So other than that guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.